Hi guys. Today we are going to do a new thing called Java Eclipse installation. So that is for all the students, all the peoples who really don't know how to install Eclipse. So we are going to install the latest version of Eclipse, Eclipse ID 2024 to a -12. We are going to download, we are going to install the Eclipse for you guys, and I'll show you how to run also. So it will be easy for you guys to do the programming. So today we are going to do how to download and install Eclipse ID 2024-12 for Java, and that we are doing on the Windows 64-bit. So anybody who wants to do it, mostly there is nobody don't be there Windows 32-bit. But if anyone wants to do, please let me know. Okay, so we are right now assuming that everybody's laptop, desktop, everything is Windows 64. So we are going to do Java, normal Java in Windows 64-bit Eclipse IDE. So let's do it. For that, I'm just going to the browser. Okay. So in the browser, in the Google, you just type Eclipse ID download. Just type Eclipse ID download. So from the first link, you will get the first link called Eclipse download. Don't click on that. Okay, right now. You just come down. There is something called Eclipse id.org. So you guys have to click here. So remember guys, so you have to come to the second point, has to click here, this point. Okay, you have to click here. Okay, remember guys, so this is the place you have to click now. Okay. Now what you have to do is, now I'm going to click here. Okay, now it will take you to Eclipse id.org. So you have to see the site called Eclipse IDE.org. Go to the Eclipse IDE.org. And you guys can see the one more thing called that is download 2024-12. So what is that? You have to click here. Download 2024-12. So that you have to do it. Okay, guys. So now I'll click here. So it will take me to another page where a lot of so many types of Eclipse for so many things are there. So you can come down and see that this is for a enterprise Java and web developers, guys, people need it. And then you can come down and see this is Eclipse ID for Java developer. This is what we are going to download now. And this is ID for CC++. And so many things are there, Java, DSL, developers, PHP, embedded, so many things are there. So we wanted you guys have to come to Eclipse ID for Java developers. So where you have to come? So you have to come here for Eclipse ID for Java developer. Here you have to come. Okay, click. Don't click here. You have to click here. So you right now we are going for 64-bit, right? There is Windows is there, Mac is there, Linux is there. What we wanted is the Windows 64. So you click on here only. Windows 64. So you can click here. And so right now I'm going to click here now. So you can see here, guys. Or else you can click here also. Here also it is there. That is the latest also. Either two place you click here. Right now I'm going to click here. Just click there. It will get download to your system. So you can see there's a download option came over there. So click on the download. That will be getting downloaded to your on the top of your. So you can see there. Here it is get downloaded here, right? You can see here. So this part you have to see that it is downloading here. So guys, have a look here. See, it's take a little bit of time. So it has to finish fully. So we will wait for some time. Let it get finished. Then we will go ahead again. Okay, it will take a little bit of time, guys. So once you have downloaded this, everybody for you guys, it'll be easy for you to do this. Okay, just wait a minute, guys. Eclipse is a free version. You don't have to give money for that. It's totally free. Guys, you need to wait for patiently. You have to wait. You have to wait patiently, guys. Half of the thing which has been done here, guys. Here you can see half is done. Now another half we need to wait. So now almost 75% is got downloaded. Now the remaining 25 to 15 20% is getting download. Wait patiently. So almost it is get downloaded here, guys. Now I'm just removing that. So it is almost done. Now you click here, you can see that. Click here, guys. It is done here. Okay. So this is the place it has been downloaded. You just click here, go here in the arrow button and click here. So it is written here, it is done. Okay. So once it is done, now you can go ahead and start installing. Okay. How do you install? Just double click this. Just double click on this. It will open it right now. Wait a minute. So it's saying that, okay, it's saying that, okay. You guys remember you need that either WinZip or any kind of extraction thing you needed, so that then only you can do it, right? So you have to say extract, and I'm going to put the Eclipse in my personal E. Okay, so E I said, just put there. Okay, so it is almost done, guys. So now what you have to do is go to your drive. You go to your file explorer. I'm going to my file explorer. Where I have downloaded, you go there. That is E colon. Where I have extracted, you go there. E colon I had gone here. Now here I made an directory called Eclipse I had. Here it is there. Guys, see here. So here you can see that my Eclipse got extracted over here, right? This is the place my Eclipse got extracted. Now you can see there is something called Eclipse symbol will be like this. An application file. There will be two application files. One is Eclipse with the symbol here. One is another one will be there. Don't click on the last. Just the symbol one, you just click on that. Click on the symbol one. So it will be opening for you guys. So you can see that Eclipse IDE 2024-12 got installed. So it is opening. Wonderful. It looks very beautiful. It's like so nice. So 2024. Now it is 2025, but still we are using, but it's too nice, right? 2024 12, it's get opening. Wait for a minute, guys. If your system is fast and RAM, everything is fast, so that it will open very fast. Mine is a little bit slow, so it takes a little bit of time. It's opening now. So after that, it will ask you a workshop. Okay, workspace space, where this is the place you need to tell where you have to store your files. So this place you have to tell where you have to store the files. Okay. For that, normally it will go to C colon users do like that users works C colon users only it will be gone. On your name it will be going. On your whoever's laptop that will be gone. Now the thing is if you want to change your workspace, you can change it. Every time don't do that. Only one time is necessity to do that. Every time you just open in the same workspace. Okay, now go. I'm going to put the workspace in a different place. Okay, so you can use it. Normally, don't go and put it on the C and all workspaces. You can do it in a different place. I just created one a workspace called Eclipse testing. Okay, I'll just create a workspace called Eclipse testing in my E drive. I'm just creating. You guys can go ahead and do it on your place wherever you want it. So I'm just going there. So it is there. So here I'm going to do it. Okay, now I select this folder over here. Okay, now select the folder Eclipse testing. Okay, now launch it. Don't click on the checkbox. Don't click on the checkbox. What happened when you click on the checkbox? Every time it won't ask you. It has to ask you because sometimes you need to change your locations, right? So you can change your locations where you want to store the files. So don't check on the checkbox. If you're doing a project, you can always put it there. If you're not doing a project or you are doing a program, studying things, always, change your locations and store the files. So let it ask so that you can choose the workspace where you want it. Now it is opening this Eclipse IDE 2024-12 is asking. Opening, this is the latest one, guys. You can see the bar is going on. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, now it's open, guys. Now see, have a look over this. Yeah, it is open, right? So now we can go ahead. So first time it will show you the window welcome page here, welcome page. So in this welcome page, it will be like all these things will be there. You can close it out. Okay, you can close, guys. Now what you have to do, there will be some things like this side is the project folder structure and things will be coming here. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Okay, I'll just cancel this, guys. So now what you have to do is you guys see here. Have a look here, guys. You can see here, guys, this is the project structure of the folder, structure coming. And this is place where you are doing the coding, okay? This is the place where you are getting the output. And this is the place where your function, things, all these are written over here, okay? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 places will be, you can off on all these things also. You can, if you don't want, you can take it out also. So some another time, whenever I teach you Java program, I'll show you these things. Okay, now I'll write you how to do a small Java program in this, and we can test it also. Now for that, to create a Java this one, you can use this only, create a Java project. If you are not finding this, if you are not getting this, you can go here also, file, new. You can see here on the top, there is something called Java project. Click that. So that is, you can give your project name. You can give your project name. So I say Java examples. Okay, so I just give the examples over here, and you don't have to create anything. This module info dot java file, you can off it right now. You can off all these things and all. You don't have to use when you're doing this. Better you don't all check all the things. And when you're in a project times, you can do that. Normal when you're studying time, don't do these things. You just do only default location check and give the name and click on next and check that create module and click on finish. You can do it. Click on finish, guys. You can see here, you will get JRE, library file, and SRE. SRE is nothing but a source file, okay? So here you can create a package also. In that package, you can make it up. So if you wanted, you can create a package. So you can directly say also in the class also, say class also package. So how do you take class? Right click your mouse and say new and say class. You are going to make the file, okay? So first, Java first. I say first file, okay? First test. So now I wanted to put it in a package. I wanted to put it in a package called test. Okay, test package. So if you wanted, you can say com dot, or this is first com dot test output, or you can directly say test also. I say com dot test also, and I say the file name as a first test. You don't have to say anything. So just say like nothing. No, don't check anything over here. Just say that's it and click on finish. Okay, guys, click on finish. If you want, you can say public static void main. You can remove this inherit abstract methods. Only the public static void main you create first time and click on this finish. You can see on the middle of the point, the Java code came. You can see the package com.test and first test and the public static void main, right? If you want, you can remove it and say Java program testing. Hope you guys know the programs, right? So simply say and just say system dot out dot println, right, guys? Now I say Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year 2025 to all. I just said Happy New Year 2025 to all. I just put the last semicolon. That's it. Now you have to say control as or file save. You can say file save or you can say control as and save it. Now nothing to do. There's no, everything has been compiled over here. Now you just need to run. For the running, you can do two ways. One you can do is you can go ahead and click on the run button here. That is the easiest way. You can click on the run button, or if you have so many files, if you are confused that what you can do is right click on this, right click on the code, right click on the code, and you say run as here and say Java application. You can see the output has been came over here, right? So you can see the output. You can drag up like this. You can see the output came up, right, guys? You can see the drag. New Year, Happy New Year 2025 to all, right? So you can see this, you can drag, even you can make it a separate window, everything you can do. You can see the first test file name and the main. Here you can see the structure of these things, right? So everything like this you have to do. So now you can keep on doing all your files. This is how you have to do your Eclipse, latest Eclipse. Hope you guys, it will be very useful for you guys. So I hope I had did a good thing for you guys. So go ahead and study Java. Code normal Java programs, you study and do it. There are more Eclipse are there. So I'll bring it in the upcoming videos. I'll bring it. And if you guys needed anything else or something which you wanted to install or something, you can tell me in the comment section so that I'll help you guys for you guys. So I hope you guys, everyone understood about how to install, download the latest Java edition, that is 2024, right? Hope you guys, everyone understood, right? So Please give a subscribe and like to us, and promote our channels to bring up more and bring more videos to us, more videos to you guys. So thank you guys for everything. So please do like and subscribe and share it to everyone, to your friends, families, and to colleagues, everyone. Thank you so much, guys.